Okay, we're going to do a quick video here to show you how easy it is to create a new project in Instant Project Expert, or as we like to call it, IPE, because we like IPE. Okay, so here we go. We are going to name the project. Let's name it Video Start 73, and we're going to come in here and we're going to put in an objective. So the objective is going to be just to make a video, and you'll notice here that I have put in the project is done when it's live on the website, which is my way of sort of like saying, look, we can't call this project done until the video is actually live. After we create our project, right, video start 73, we come in here, we're in brainstorm mode, which as you know means we can move products around all we want to. And the first thing I need to do, the first task involved in this project needs to be I need to write a script. The objective is so I don't ramble. Of course, after you listen to this video, you'll realize I never actually wrote the script, but that's all right. We'll get through it. Let's say that has to be done on November 4th. I'm going to save it, and I have created the first task of the project, Video Start 73. One of the neat things about this quick create screen is that when you're in a meeting or you're thinking about a project you want to get done, you can come in here and you can just blast out a bunch of different tasks and milestones really quickly. See, I'm going to say I'm going to finish the script on the 4th. So let's say I'll actually film on November 6th, and I will use screen capture. I would try and put real serious deliverables if this was a real project in here. Let's create this as another task, and then we'll talk about milestones a little bit. So now I have two tasks. I have write script and film video. It's over here in this quick create screen 2. And so now let's create a milestone. I want to buy a new microphone to improve the sound quality of the videos that we do. As you can tell, I never actually did that either. But let's say we want to do that on the 5th, the day before we actually do the video, and that way the sound will have the mic for the video. And since I'm always working so hard in the office all the time, let's see, we need somebody who's always out doing a lot of personal shopping on company time. Yeah, Chris Evans, yeah, he's always out, you know, buying a new ascot or something like that. And so what we'll do is we'll say that this is for quality, and the deliverable is very obvious in this case. But because we're going to use this for the filming, let's be clear about this and make this a milestone of film video. And it's going to be, as we said, due the Thursday before. Let's save it. And you will see that it appears down here with a little thing that shows that it's actually a milestone of film video. And when I go over here to film video, the milestone shows up right there. Okay, so now let's talk about brainstorm and publish real quick. So I talked to Chris. He says, yes, I will be out getting a new ascot on that Thursday. So go ahead. That date works for me. I can pick up the mic. So I say, good. These dates are solid. I'm going to publish it. As soon as I publish this project, the grading of all the tasks and milestones begins. So if anybody's late or has to move a date, the project is going to get downgraded. But I'm solid on these dates, so I'm going to publish it. It's going to default to me as the project owner, which is fine. It's going to default to the last task date being the due date, which usually should be fine. And I'm going to publish it. And the project is now published, okay? Which means that when I go into a task, I can actually finish that task. I can still add attachments, which is what we use for deliverables a lot. Like before you say finish task, go in and add the spreadsheet you were supposed to build as part of this project. I can add reminders, okay? And I can no longer add milestones though. You'll notice I can't add milestones, and that's because it's already published. All right, so film video has a milestone right there. It's all ready to go. So it is published. These tasks will appear on everybody's calendar, and it is live and good to go. And you can even see on the blog that when we published it, a posting showed up on the blog that was emailed to every owner inside the project, which in this case is just myself and Chris. Okay, to learn more, watch other videos. Thanks a lot.